Hey, I'm Jay Ryan, and I run a silkscreen shop just outside of Chicago called The Byrd Machine. We do concert posters for bands like Modest Mouse, the Alkaline Trio. One of the things that's unusual about what we do here is that I don't use computers at all. Everything's hand-drawn. All the different layers of film are cut by hand, and everything is totally analog. I play in a band. It's called Dianoga. We're often compared to a sleepy, giant cave bear. There's Seth the dog. Hey buddy, what's going on? This is for a poster convention. It's very unusual. You don't often see armadillos doing frontside ollies. They often spend their time doing backsides. This is my skateboard. It's in pretty good condition considering it's 22 years old. This is my cat. She's sitting in her chair protecting us from impending death.